Hey there fitness enthusiasts! If you're looking to take your at-home workouts to the next level, then you've come to the right place. Today, I want to introduce you to the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Incline Treadmill. This treadmill is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy the convenience of working out at home without sacrificing on quality. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete wanting to up your game, this treadmill is designed to meet your needs. One of the key benefits of the UMAY Fitness Treadmill is its powerful 3.0 HP quiet brushless motor. You can enjoy a smooth and quiet workout experience without disturbing those around you. Plus, with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, this treadmill is built to last. The incline feature on this treadmill allows you to customize your workout intensity, helping you burn more calories and target different muscle groups. And with built-in pulse sensors, you can easily monitor your heart rate to maximize your workout efficiency. So how can you use this treadmill to get the most out of your workouts? Well, you can start by incorporating intervals into your routine. Mix up your speed and incline levels to keep your body guessing and prevent boredom. Another great feature of this treadmill is its folding design, making it easy to store when not in use. You can set it up in your living room, bedroom, or home gym and easily fold it away when you're done. Now, I know you might be wondering how the UMAY Fitness Treadmill stacks up against the competition. Let me tell you, this treadmill offers great value for its price point. It provides all the essential features you need for a challenging workout without breaking the bank. If you're looking for some tips on how to make the most of your treadmill workouts, I recommend creating a playlist of your favorite high-energy tunes to keep you motivated. And don't forget to stay hydrated throughout your workout to keep your energy levels up. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your at-home workout experience with the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Incline Treadmill. Say goodbye to boring workouts and hello to a fitter, stronger you. Click the link below to order yours today and start crushing your fitness goals.